Alright, so today we're going to go through the basics of digital note-taking, and we're going to use the app GoodNotes 6 to do that, an app which a lot of you are probably familiar with. We're going to tick a couple of checkboxes to do this. The first one's going to be organization of notes. Second, how to record audio notes. Third, taking effective notes. Fourth, I'll talk about a couple of my favorite features. And then the last one would be inserting slides in documents so that we could directly annotate on documents that we want. Want to know that currently I'm using a stylus or an Apple Pencil. Does not necessarily have to be Apple, of course, but just a stylus in general. Now we're going to start off with organization of notes, as discussed before. You're definitely not going to have these folders created for you when you first download the software. If you want to create these separate folders, then what you're going to have to do is click the plus button, save folder, name your folder, choose a color if you want, choose an icon as well if you're feeling fancy, and then select done. Let's say we are going to take notes in our MME 211 class. Click on the folder and click this quick note option in here. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'll quickly rename this document in here. Just click anywhere to save. And then of course I always put in the date. I'll start taking notes. One fun thing about this in here is using this microphone option to create audio notes. I'll click the mic button first. This paragraph is about mechanics in real world. Stop. This paragraph is about mechanics in real world. Stop. So that is one very nice feature about this. So if you want to record your class lecture as well, if your professor allows, then you could always sit in front of the class, the first few benches of the class, so that you could record whatever the professor is speaking out loud, and that's going to get recorded in your notes as well, which might come handy later on when you're studying the notes. And apart from that, another one is being able to export documents directly from where it came from. So say for this example, if you go to a Canvas site and then go to the course, this is the homework that I want to digitally do. To do that, I could directly export this document to the note-taking app by selecting the share option right here. Choose the appropriate app, GoodNotes in our case, and then import to current document is going to import this to the existing document you're working on, and import as new document would be it's just going to create a whole new document with only the page. For now, I'm just going to do import as new document, and then select which folder you want that to be in. Since it's a MME 211 folder that I've created for that course before, just going to import it to that. Now it got imported, really nice. It does not have any other templates or anything, but it's just the PDF. Now you could definitely work on the problems in here, and then once you're done with that, you could just go to the share button again, and then just export it directly to Canvas just right from here.